What's going on, YouTube? We have the Avalanche and Golden Knights. It is game 3.
McKinnon and Eichel for the opening draw once again. And away we go here at T-Mobile Arena as it comes back for Taves. He'll hand it off to McCarr.
Hey, Dior.
On the first play of the puck. Hannafin takes a hit from O'Connor. Here's McKinnon on a steal. Shoots. Save made by Rebound. He put it off his pad. Trying to bank it in. It's still free. Side of the net. Lehkonen tries to come up with it.
This is the guy you want to have the puck on his stick. Hannafin lays it around the wall, and there's a missed pass into down in the middle of the ice, and McKinnon is all over it. Not only the break.
Hannafin has got it. Hannafin wristed towards it, and it goes wide. McKinnon deflects it out. And a race for it at center. Taves gets by Hannafin, goes to the net. Scores! Scott burns the rebound.
Oh, D-Ray.
It was a delayed penalty, but Scott going to the net, puts it home, and Colorado strikes first in game 3.
That might have even been a penalty shot. That would have been taken.
Oh my God, I just peeped. Holy fuck. Golden Knights are up 2. Oh yeah, because they did take both games at Avalanche. Well, in Colorado.
He's glad that Landeskog put this in early and didn't get anything. This is a missed shot that comes around the boards, gets tipped out, and Taves takes off, outskates Hannafin, and then takes it to the net. Hart makes the original save, and the penalty is coming on Hannafin, probably a penalty shot, and there's the rebound sitting right there for the captain of the Colorado Avalanche. And they take the lead here in game 3.
Manson will go after it in the corner. And he stops back at his own net.
Out of there.
Gets away from the forecheck and down.
Ooh, good pass.
Hands it off. Scores.
Beautiful fucking pass. Oh my God.
We'll go after it in the corner.
What a fucking pass.
Back at his own net.
Ooh, good move too. Shook his ass right out of his booty shorts and just straight past all of them.
Hands it off. Scores. Nazem Kadri gets the feed and puts it in top corner. It's 2-0.
All right, Avalanche. All right. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Kadri's family celebrating as he has put them up 2-0. This is exactly what you said, John. This is what we all thought. What a beautiful pass from Manson.
Yeah, beautiful pass.
Everybody. We heard everybody in the studio talking about Natchez. When was he going to get into the traffic areas? He was right up the middle, the guts of the ice. Manson with a beautiful pass. And when he doesn't have a play and he's drawn everyone to him, everyone's backing off. He drops it to Kadri. And just like Landeskog, who kept the gap tight, stayed supportive on the puck.
Down for McKinnon. Swiped it around to Natchez.
Still early though. Still again.
Bruh. For Dowd. Dowd waiting in front. Sissons.
Got to stay on your feet.
Power play. That's something we haven't seen. A stumble by Natchez and an opportunity for the Vegas Golden Knights.
Man.
And I'll tell you what, Wedgwood has got to be near perfect in this game. Dowd does a nice job of stripping. He waits out McCarr. Nice play right there across.
Ooh, so close.
Got to get a hold of that puck and clear it. Good job by the Avalanche there.
Hurdle hands it off. Here comes Marner.
Oh, good pass. Boom! Nah, he got pushed into the goalie. He got pushed. No, he. Oh, no goal. Yeah. Yeah, no goal. No goal. Good call. Good call.
Kelly will backhand it to the line and out. And it's a breakaway.
1-on-1.
Drury in alone. Scores. Drury shot.
We got another one playing like a bad bitch. Oh my God, man. These niggas be hitting the utmost craziest moves. Shit, man. Damn, I feel bad for goalies, dog. Damn, they be fighting for their life out there. Oh my God. Damn, that nigga hit. Ooh.
Scores!
Drury short-handed goal. 3-0
3-zip.
And what a swimming events on this power play.
Oh man, Golden Knights, y'all better wake their ass up. Y'all get your ass whooped.
Vegas did not do in the first 2 games in Colorado. They were a tight, efficient group. Kelly throws this. Marner comes in to get it with his hand. He doesn't.
Man.
They're both standing up. This is a 2-0 breakaway while short-handed. Manson is in on this break as well. And Drury with the jam break
oh,
back
man.
the other way. and puts it into the back of the net.
Shit.
The Avalanche in the first period, still 6:45 to go.
Me, I would have saved that though. Like, I'm flexible. I would have saved that 100%.
Absolutely invincible.
Like, I wouldn't even like. He wouldn't even been close.
Hart had to be sharp. McCarr hands it off. Kadri back to McCarr. Snap towards the net again.
Another thing on him score again.
Scramble in front. He'll get his glove on it long enough for a whistle.
Well, he is shooting, but this is not a one-timer.
Marner on the puck.
3-0 in the first period, man. Nice, better. Come on now. All the way. No way. I'm about to say, no way they let him just go down the fucking ice like that.
And they've had plenty of rest to be able to accomplish that. That was a great first period in game
Second
three.
period,
We'll
you got to still lock in.
In period two, a little power play to start.
And it's Marner that'll carry it up to center. Still a minute 10 to go in the man advantage. Eichel from center will rattle in and around the glass. Dorothea for Hurdle. The Marner. Scores! Mark Stone. Welcome back.
There you go. There you fucking go. There you fucking go. There you fucking go. Yeah. Fight back. Fight back. Fight back. It'd be a shame you're a grown ass man. You ain't fighting back. Getting your ass whooped. Good job.
Right here from Marner. The fake shot slide to Stone at the front of the net. Unfortunately for Mark Stone, he's had too many opportunities to
Malinsky trying to poke it up the wing. Marner has got it. Marner throws it to the net. Blocked away by Wade.
I know you fucking lying. I know these niggas not about to let these boys come back and whoop their ass. Oh boy, Avalanche, boy. Boy, I tell you, boy. Boy, y'all bet not, boy. Y'all bet not, boy.
Put it to the corner. Kick it to a spot where you can battle for it. Putting it right there, not a good idea. And a nice job coming down in on Kelly to keep the puck alive. Korzak, the defenseman, comes down hard.
That's a big kill for Colorado. Here comes Howden with a shot that goes over the net. Howden chipped it in front.
Oh my God!
Wilson with a chance right on the doorstep.
Making sure all your opponents are in front of you. Everyone from Colorado starting to lean forward. Look who's left there.
Poked up at center. Korzak down the wing. Korzak shooting high over the net. Coughlin keeps it in.
Yo, bro. Yeah, whoop his ass too. 3-0 in the first period.
Has the first opportunity.
Now these niggas come back. 3, don't let them score in the second period.
And then it goes off the skate of Roy and right to the net. And then Kolasar reaches across. Now, is that a high stick? We'll have a look. Did he
Avalanche, this is embarrassing.
Remember, Nelson was given a penalty for the same sort of play. Right?
I always say, man, hey, letting a team come back and whoop your ass, that's some other shit.
Barbashev stops below the goal line, trying to work it out front. Pass was broken up. Arturi Lekanen moves it over to Manson up the front.
Ooh, good save.
With another beauty play to split the middle of the ice. Up high over
Oh, he
the
just
glove,
missed. Oh, he bullshitting. I thought it was a save.
I've never seen anything like that, a tape job like that. Pat Verbeek used to have a big tape job because
Avalanche, y'all can't lose. Y'all can't lose. Like, bitch, you lose, it's 3-0. It's GG's at that point. You can't lose. Oh, man. Oh, my fucking God.
The thing is, he's getting out of the way, and he's not going to the room, but he can't play. That's the 2 reasons why he would go onto the stool. To be more upright or...
This is literally a must-win game for Avalanche.
He doesn't want to be.
Ooh, niggas out here playing with their food. Ooh, niggas out here playing with their food. Avalanche just lost all momentum in this fucking game. Ooh. Yeah, it's GG's. Oh my fucking God.
Nice clean breakout, speed through the neutral zone, and then an inside.
Oh my God.
On Malinsky. I mean, you can't let him inside. You just can't. And when you reach outside, you invite him inside. As soon as Malinsky bites and goes in, that's when Hurdle says, "I've got you." He comes right across the front of him, and as he's
these boys looking unstoppable.
He just chops it right away.
McKinnon back after the rebound in the corner again. Picked up by Carlson.
Wait, these niggas actually about to, these niggas finna lose for real. That's a damn shame. That's a damn shame. That's a damn shame. Oh my God. 3-0. These niggas come back and whoop y'all ass to make it 3-0. Oh my God.
That is gonna do it. The President's Trophy winners are on the ropes.
Damn.
This is going to be one game and one win away from a trip to the Stanley Cup Final.
Damn. And now you want to fight after the game. Take your ass on, man. Damn, they got their ass whooped. That's crazy. Them boys went up 3-0 and then, that's bad. That's bad.